You can do everything right on Upwork, get clients, make money, even hit $1,000 and still lose your entire account overnight. That's exactly what happened to me. And if you don't understand this one mistake, you could build for months and then lose everything in 1 second. Before I got banned, I made over $7,000 on Upwork as a student. I had clients, I had momentum. In fact, I knew how the system worked. But one decision, just one, cost me everything. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly what I did and the rules you must never ever break. So what happened was that after I started making good money from Upwork, I had made around 2, 3, 4,000 on the platform. I started taking clients outside the platform. I would take them to WhatsApp and then we'll chat, we'll talk, communicate freely, and then they will pay me outside the platform. So I was doing it and I was making money faster because, you know, Upwork, they do collect 10% charge. In fact, there was a time where they were collecting up to 20%. So me getting those percents back, it was helping me make more money. Imagine you charge a client $450 for a video now and 20% is $90 and you get to keep that money for yourself. So me taking them out of the platform helped me make more money. But after I did that for a while, after I think about 6 months, my account got banned. No, my account did not get banned. My account got suspended for 6 months. The first time they gave me a warning, they suspended my account for 6 months. So I think I was in 300 level at that time. So it was suspended for 6 months. And during the entire holiday, I was broke, no money, and no work, nothing. And it was a very, very, very terrible time for me. So after the suspension, I came back. And I told myself that I won't make this mistake again. But I wasn't fully honest with myself because I did. So what happened was that I was chatting with a client. He wanted me to create some short form videos for his software. So he wanted me to record the software and then create the video so he'll be posting it on TikTok. We had talked, we went on a sales call and he promised to pay, I think, around $400 per month or something like that. So we're doing very, very well. But the mistake I made was that in the Upwork chats, me and the client chat, I told him that, okay, can you send me the payment outside Upwork or outside the platform? And then the AI bot picked it up and that's how my account got permanently banned and suspended. So you don't even need to collect the payment outside yet. Just talking about it on the platform there can get your accounts permanently banned. I don't mean suspended, I mean permanently banned forever. I won't lie to you, it hits me hard. I felt bad, I felt depressed, I felt like I'd lost something I worked so hard for. And the painful part is that I knew it was avoidable. I knew I could obey those rules and avoid this mess. But I compromised and I got the result of disobedience. So now I want to share with you 5 lessons I learned from my mistake so that you don't get to make them again. 1. Never take clients off the platform. Upwork's number 1 rule is keep everything on the platform. Calls, chats, emails, everything on the platform. If you break that, you are gone immediately. 2. Even talking about it can get you banned. You don't have to actually receive money outside. Just discussing it in the chats, in the Upwork chats, can get you permanently banned because the AI system is watching. 3. Short-term gains is equal to long-term loss. Yes, I made money outside, but I lost a system that could make me much more money. 4. Respect the platform that pays you. Upwork is not your enemy. It's a system. Learn it, play by the rules, and you win. 5. Ignorance is expensive, and so is disobedience. I knew the rules, but I didn't fully respect them, and it cost me. Now, these are 8 rules you must never ever break. If you are serious about Upwork, write this down. 1. Don't communicate off-platform before the contract. 2. Don't accept off-platform payments. 3. Don't discuss external payments in the chat. 4. Don't share your contact details early or even at all. 5. Don't try to outsmart the system. The system is smarter than you. 6. Don't use fake info or account details. They will catch you. 7. Don't rush. Build it properly. And 8. Don't ignore warnings like I did. Now come, listen to me. See, Upwork works. I've made over 10 million naira from Upwork as a student. So it works. And don't let my mistakes scare you. Let my mistake guide you. And so if you want to know how to use Upwork properly, from setting up your accounts to getting clients to staying safe, I've created a free guide for you. It's in the first link in the description below. Click it and get the guide. And then if you want to get more information on how to get clients or you want to talk to me personally, I will leave a Word link below. Click on the Word link, message me on WhatsApp, and then we'll get to talk. I have a course where I show you guys how to go from zero to making your first $100, your first $300 on Upwork in 7 to 14 days quickly on the platform. So if you're interested in that, you can click all the links in the description below for you guys. Now, Victor, listen to me. Freelancing is not a scam, but carelessness will cost you. You don't need to learn the hard way like I did. Experience is not the best teacher. Experience is a harsh teacher, very hard teacher. Mentorship is the best teacher. Listen, you can build this thing the right way from day one. So respect the rules, build your skills, and stay consistent. One bad decision can destroy your income forever, but one good one can build it starting from today. Which will you choose? Okay, thanks so much for watching. If you're interested in getting more information on how I made $10,000 on Upwork, then click this video to find out. I'll see you there. Bye bye.